Welcome back. Today, we're exploring how nanotechnology is shaping the future of healthcare. By manipulating materials at the atomic and molecular scale, nanotechnology promises revolutionary solutions for diagnosing, treating, and preventing health problems. Let's dive into 18 fascinating facts about how nanotechnology could transform medicine. Did you know that nanotechnology can create targeted drug delivery systems? Nanoscale carriers, like liposomes and polymer nanoparticles, can transport drugs directly to specific cells, minimizing side effects and maximizing effectiveness. Did you know that nanoantibiotics are being developed to combat antibiotic-resistant bacteria? Nanoparticles can penetrate bacterial cells more easily, disrupt bacterial membranes, and deliver antimicrobials directly to the infection site. Did you know that gold nanoparticles are being used to improve cancer treatments? These particles can target tumor cells specifically, enabling highly localized therapies like photothermal therapy, where they heat up to destroy cancer cells without harming surrounding tissue. Did you know that nanosensors are being created to detect diseases early? These ultra-sensitive sensors can detect biomarkers of diseases, like cancer or heart disease, at very low levels, allowing for early diagnosis and timely treatment. Did you know that nanotechnology can create smart bandages for wound care? These bandages can release antimicrobial agents and monitor infection markers, speeding up healing and reducing infection risk. Did you know that researchers are developing nanobots that can perform surgeries at a microscopic scale? These nanobots can navigate through blood vessels to deliver drugs, remove blockages, or repair tissue, reducing the need for invasive surgeries. Did you know that quantum dots, tiny semiconductor particles, are being used in cancer imaging? These particles emit light when exposed to specific wavelengths, helping to visualize tumors with high precision during diagnostic imaging. Did you know that nanotechnology is advancing gene therapy by creating nanoscale gene carriers? These carriers can deliver genetic material directly into cells, making gene editing therapies more precise and effective. Did you know that nanotechnology can help in treating neurological disorders? Nanoparticles are being developed to cross the blood-brain barrier, allowing for targeted drug delivery to treat conditions like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's disease. Did you know that nanocoatings are being applied to surgical tools and implants to make them antimicrobial? These coatings prevent bacteria from adhering to surfaces, reducing the risk of infections in hospitals and improving patient outcomes. Did you know that nanovaccines are being developed to enhance immune response? Nanoparticles can deliver vaccine components directly to immune cells, making vaccines more effective and longer-lasting with lower doses. Did you know that carbon nanotubes are being explored for repairing nerve damage? These tiny tubes can provide scaffolding for neurons to grow, potentially restoring function in damaged nerve cells and helping patients recover from nerve injuries. Did you know that nanotechnology is used to create artificial red blood cells? These respiracytes mimic the oxygen-carrying capacity of real blood cells and could potentially be used in emergencies to boost oxygen delivery in critical care. Did you know that nanofibers are being used in tissue engineering to grow new tissues and organs? These fibers can mimic the extracellular matrix, providing a structure for cells to grow and form functional tissues for transplantation. Did you know that nanotechnology is enhancing diabetes management? Nanoparticles are being developed to release insulin in response to blood sugar levels, creating a smart insulin system that reduces the need for injections. Did you know that nanoparticles can be programmed to self-destruct after completing their function? This means that after delivering drugs or carrying out repairs, they can break down harmlessly, leaving no residue in the body. Did you know that researchers are exploring nanotechnology to create artificial skin with sensory feedback? Nanosensors embedded in artificial skin can detect pressure, temperature, and pain, helping patients regain a sense of touch. Did you know that nanotechnology may help reverse aging by targeting cellular senescence? Nanoparticles can deliver drugs to clear out senescent cells, slowing down age-related diseases and improving health in older adults. If you found these insights fascinating, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more explorations into medical innovations. Let us know in the comments which facts surprised you the most. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.